Hey guys, how you doing? This is JC here. Just doing a recap video of a couple of trades I took today. Um, so first of all, I was looking at I had quite a few trades, quite a few stocks on my watch list. One of them was XRAY. So I started focusing on this in the morning. I saw here on the 1 minute this big bearish candle. I actually wanted to come back, test the VWAP, and hopefully reject it for either potential target of the low right here before pre-market, or this level I had here, which was the total low of the pre-market. So on the 1 minute, I saw that it came back up. It tested the VWAP and the 9 EMA and rejected it. It closed here. As soon as it opened on this next candle, I shorted it. I thought that was a good signal, counting this bearish candle. And this thing, I don't know what happened, but it gave a huge whip. Like within seconds, I was already here, and while I was trying to figure out, because I was trying to keep an eye on a couple other stocks, while I was trying to figure out what happened, this thing just, I was way past my stop. I was practically at my max loss for the day. Um, I kind of like saw the action. It was jumping. It was very aggressive, and I just pulled the eject button and took the loss. This practically put me at the max loss for the day, and very bummed about it. I thought it was behaving properly. I thought it was gonna be a good setup. Obviously, it wasn't. So I took the loss. I took a few minutes to reset. I was planning on just not trading anymore for the day. I just didn't like how it behaved. But then I kept an eye on the MNK. So I gave it a few minutes, and I liked the price action on MNK a lot better. So on MNK, I was also keeping an eye on that pre-market. I saw that it put a high right here of 28.41, the pre-market. So it did the ORB breakout. I let it come back, retest it. So I saw that it was gonna come and test the high of the pre-market along with the VWAP and the 9 EMA. I thought that was a great entry point with so much support. Like if it was gonna break it, my exit would have to be like immediately. It would deny the trade immediately. So counting that it didn't have much room to take another big loss, I was ready to just exit right away. Um, but it actually worked out pretty well. I think I got lucky with this entry. Maybe the best thing would have been is take it on the as soon as it makes the breaks the high of this previous candle for better confirmation. I just really liked the support we had here. So I took this entry. I took about 70% of my position right here. I kind of rushed my exits here. I should have been more patient, but the fact I was a little bit screwed up mentally with the loss I took on XRAY. So I just wanted to fix the day pretty much. It was more emotionally on my exits. So I took 70% of my position right here, pretty much making it attempting to reach the high that he had made on the day that he was going to reject. And as soon as he saw that it was still strong, the remaining 30%, as soon as he broke it, at that point it put me in a little bit of green for the day. I was happy, and I just kind of wanted to reset for the day. So I mean, it worked. I could have probably hold it a little bit longer, or a partial a little bit longer, but I was happy that I was able to fix the day. Just the fact how things happen with XRAY, like I said before. So what he did is, I really like the price action, like I said, on MNK. So I kept watching it, and if we go to the 5 minutes, I was watching it, and I looked at it right here. So this is the high of the day at the moment. I saw that on this candle, it was like a fake breakout. It closed pretty much below the high of the day at the time, and it started coming down. So I anticipated again the entry. I thought it was gonna come at least test the VWAP or the 20 moving average. But I saw it was holding. It didn't make a new 5 minute low here. It didn't make a new 5 minute low. So as soon as it started going back up, I took it off for practically a break-even trade. I kept watching it. I didn't like the price action on the other stocks I was watching. And here I saw that um, it didn't wanna. It found some support right here. Okay, it found some support right here. Didn't it did not make a new 5 minute low here, here. This one it made it, but then it closed pretty much at the same level. I thought, okay, it just consolidated. It found some support. It's gonna come back and test the high of day. I took it long, but then again, it's just it wasn't doing much. It wasn't moving with the force that I wanted it to. Either break or just move up higher, but it didn't do it with it. So again, as soon as it started coming down and he made a new low from this 5 minute low, I got out and pretty much just again so break even on that trade also. So I had one big loss on X-Ray. I fixed it with this trade right here on the long side on MK, and I had two break-even trades trying to either catch uh, kind of a reversal move here, and maybe here a continuation to go to the half day or maybe break it. Uh, so it's kind of a scratch day for me. Didn't see much. I've been noticing that past launch, the volume really drops. It's just grinding. There's no real movement, no real action. So I'm not trying to force anything. I consider myself lucky today, being able to recover from that loss. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys had a better day, and we'll talk soon.